Today, I'm on a mission to uncover the mysteries of authentic learning. What is it and why is it so important? And is it happening right here at Rowland Hall? I'm Kyeran, 5th grade student reporter. I've heard some crazy theories about authentic learning. Some people say authentic learning is like the Wild West, where students do whatever they want, whenever they want. Others say it is teacher-free learning. But what's the real deal? I hear something going on in here. Let's see what's happening.
On one side of the gym, we'll have free shooting for everyone. You'll have buckets, and you can bounce the basketball into the buckets to get prizes.
Y'all have been planning these games for months now. Ultimately, what will a successful event look like?
For our community to all have fun and to come clear the wing line zone.
Interesting and super cool. Well, that was awesome. One question I have is authentic learning happening at all ages? This just in, a hot tip about students working on designing a museum exhibit. Follow me! Last year, Rowland Hall 8th graders designed an exhibit showcasing Utah's rich history. One of those projects, created by Meredith, Kunga, and Lila, was selected to become an actual exhibit in Utah State Museum at the Capitol.
The idea we came up with was a slalom skiing exhibit where two racers would race down a mountain.
People would walk around and we'd just explain what we did and how to use it, and a lot of people had fun interacting with ours.
It felt very independent, which was different from the projects we had done in the past. It was basically up to us.
It's creating something for the real world. Interesting. Let's go see if authentic learning happens in the upper school. Ooh, drones! They're building drones!
My project is designing a small FPV-style autonomous drone. If you imagine an apartment building fire, you would need a smaller drone to possibly get in through a broken window or something, and the eyes, so it's safer for the first responders.
What's most important? Is it the speed of the drone or the accuracy that it flies?
We don't want to be so fast that we lose accuracy and we run into a wall. So, Kyeran, remind me, what are you investigating again?
Drones. No, authentic learning.
So does this count as authentic learning?
Okay, so let's review. Based on what we've seen, authentic learning is really fun and engaging. It is about making learning meaningful and relevant. It helps students create knowledge and apply it to real-world problems. And there you have it, folks. Authentic learning is a super cool way to learn. It's like being a real-life problem solver, a creative genius, and a team player all at once. Reporting live from Rowland Hall, where authentic learning is a must. See you next time.